Rahul Gandhi, Congress leader, visited Karnataka's Hubballi today. He attended the party's Political Affairs Committee meeting.
The state, I welcome him to this historic meeting. Our local MLA will garland him with a welcome.
नमस्कार।
Hello. 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 Ellargu namaskara. Namaskar to all of you. Today is a very important day in the history of Karnataka. After the Udaipur declaration, the national level, the ACC had decided to form a political affairs committee for the first time in the history of Indian politics in every state level. So Karnataka has been formed, and today we are very proud. This committee is to be chaired by Sujiwala ji, but since he is out of town, it will be chaired by Venugopal ji, and we are very happy